Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 430.
Whoa!
Alabama, Jackson, and Madison. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch.
Still stuck on.
Are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds. Close to the watch area. Should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio,
Severe thunderstorm watch.
Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 430 has been issued until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Tennessee, Franklin, Lincoln, and Moore, and the following counties: in Alabama, Jackson, and Madison.
Whoa! Doubleheader.
The National Weather Service in Huntsville, Alabama has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Alabama, southwest.
Why is this unrecognized message?
Northeastern Alabama until 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near section 47 miles east of Scottsboro. 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted: Hollywood, Powell, Jackson, Kinta, and Gussie. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: Jackson, Alabama.
Wow. Imagine it does a triple header.
At noon,
Okay.
in Winchester, skies were mostly sunny.
Good to know.